Hi, my name's Dom Hindmarsh. I may have met some of you through Civic's art program already. I'm also a yoga teacher, and today I'll be guiding you through 3 mindfulness breathing exercises. 2020 has been a crazy year, as I know you are all well aware, and mindfulness is a wonderful tool we can use to help get us through such crazy times. So let's start the first exercise. Find a seated position on a cushion on the floor, on a chair. You can lie down as well for this. We are at risk of falling asleep when we lie down, but you can do it that way. I know many of us are so exhausted that maybe your only option today, so I totally understand. So this is a yogic breathing exercise. Very gentle, just about observing the breath, slightly altering the length of the breath. So once you're settled in your seated position, gently close your eyes and we'll begin. So observe your state as you sit and begin to observe your breath. Don't alter any length or quality of the breath. Just observe it to start. I'm going to switch on the sound of a metronome now. And as you breathe, count in your mind how many beats accompany your inhale and how many breaths accompany your exhale. So perhaps you're breathing in for 1 beat, out for 1 beat, in for 1 beat, out for 1 beat. Perhaps you're breathing in for 2, out for 2. Have a moment with the sound of the metronome and observe the length of your inhalation and exhalation. If your inhalation and exhalation are even, if you're breathing in for the same amount of beats as you are breathing out, continue to do that. If, however, they're uneven, try and make them even. So breathing in for the same amount of beats as you're breathing out. So if you're breathing in for 2, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Perhaps you're breathing in and out for 3 or 4 or 5. And have a few moments again with the sound of the metronome measuring. And keep the eyes closed. Turn the attention inward. Relax the shoulders. Relax the eyes. And turn the attention inward, observing the breath. Couple more breaths like that before we start to consider making them a little bit longer. But stay as you are, concentrating on smooth, even breaths. Again, release the shoulders. Release any tension in the face. So the next step, as I said, is we want to make the inhalation and exhalation a little bit longer. If you can add one beat either side, one beat to the inhalation, one beat to the exhalation, go ahead and try that now. So if you were breathing in for 2, breathe in for 3, and the same count on the exhalation. Maybe you can extend that to 2 or even 3 extra beats, as long as the inhalation and exhalation stay the same amount of beats, smooth and even and without strain. Find your rhythm. Keep the eyes closed. Smooth, even breaths, calming the system, anchoring you to the present moment. Feel the calm. The breath brings the whole system. I'm going to switch off the metronome, but for your last few breaths, see if you can maintain this breathing with no beat. Just a couple of breaths in silence. either counting in your mind or feeling the rhythm intuitively that you've been establishing. And when you're ready, gently open the eyes. And of course, that kind of breathing can be done any time in the day. No one needs to know you're doing it. So there's one technique that hopefully can be of use.